Welcome back. Today we will install reinforcements in continuous footing of a retaining wall. First of all, select the retaining wall continuous footing, go to naviate Rex and click on continuous footing. So this will show proper geometry of the continuous footing. First of all, go to main bars, and in this area we have to set the main parameters. So the main reinforcements are three types. One is a stirrup completing the all sides of continuous footing. The other one is transversal bars and a stirrup inside. The third one is only the transversal bars. Whichever you want to install, you have to select from this list. If you select this stirrup only, you have the stirrup option available. And if you select the stirrup with transversal bars, you have two options, stirrup and transversal bar activated, and if you select only the transversal bars, the stirrup will be deactivated. Let's select the stirrup with transversal bar. Now set the main parameters, for example the cover of the continuous footing. Let's set it to cast against earth, as it will go inside the earth. The parameters AL and AR is the cover of first reinforcement and the last reinforcement from the edges. And for the stirrups we have to install number 3 reinforcement, and for the hooks we have to install the stirrup or the tie seismic 134 degree. The spacing between the stirrups we have to set it as we desire 5 inches, let's say. And for the transversal bar, let's install number 5 with hooks on both sides of 90 degree and spacing of, let's say, same as the stirrups. Now the main parameter is set. Go to longitudinal bars. We have two types of longitudinal bars. First is the longitudinal bars and the other one is the bar inside the stirrups. Let's set the longitudinal bars. Let's make them number 4. We don't need hook as it will be continuous footing, so we don't need hooks. For the bar inside the stirrups, let's not change number 4 as we need it. And for the hooks, we do not install hooks. And for the number of the bars inside stirrup, let's make it 4 on top and 4 on bottom. So the extension of bar outside the footing, if you want to extend the bars from your footing from both sides, you have to check left and right. And let's say we want to extend 2 feet both sides, and that's it for the longitudinal bars. Now go to dowels. So these are the bars going inside the retaining wall, and we have to overlap the retaining bars with these dowels. Let's make them number 5. And we also have 3 type of dowels. If you want to install the stirrup dowel or the dowel facing toward each other, and the dowel of U shape. So we have 3 types. Let's install the dowel of U shape, and spacing for these dowels are same as of the stirrups or the transversal bars. Let's make it 5 inches, and this is the anchorage length. So the anchorage length is the length of dowels going inside the wall. So let's make it 2 feet, and that will be 38 into D, and then click on OK. So this will generate the reinforcements. As you can see, all the reinforcements are generated, and if you want to see it in the cross-sectional view, you have to make a cross-section of this wall, double click on this arrow and you can see, let's make the detail level fine. So the hooks of transversal bar are going outside the footing. Let's click on the transversal bars and we have to set it to 180 degree so that they do not go outside the footing. Now one thing more, we want to adjust the covers for the footing. Top cover for the footing has 1.5 inches, so we have to go to structure tab, click on cover, and then we have to select pick faces, pick the top face of continuous footing, and we have to select the exterior number 3 to number 5 1.5 inch. So this will extend the stirrup along with it, and these two bars are not moved. Let's select them and move them up a little bit so they can go to correct area. Now we have to set the cover for the retaining wall as well. Select the cover, click on the exterior face of retaining wall and set it to number 6 to number 8 2 inches, and the interior face number 3 to number 6 3/4. Now set these reinforcement inside the cover. You can move them from these grip arrows and up to this area, and if you want to resize this stirrup as well, you can drag it up to this area along with the hooks. And the reinforcement adjustment as per your position, and that's it. Now go to 3D view, select the whole drawing and click on filter, check none, select the structural bars, click apply, OK, and only the reinforcements will be selected. Now in the properties panel, go to view visibility states, click on edit and click on view unobscured and view as solid in 3D view and analytical view. Click OK, and now you can see it in 3D view. As you can see, the reinforcements installed, and that's it. As you can see, reinforcements installed in continuous footing. Please like this video and support us on our Patreon page. Be our member of this channel and enjoy the exciting perks. See you in the next video. Bye bye.